Hey guys, welcome back to another follow-up video of Evolution X ROM for Redmi Note 8. So this time we are trying out the build number is 10.2.1 which is released few days back, and I've been using this ROM actually few days now. I checked the changelog of this ROM and internally they change a lot of things, although in the UI you will not find most of them. But yes, the ROM is still pretty good, but there are something which actually bothering me a lot, because I always suggest you guys to use Evolution X or Infinity X ROM on your device. But here I can't really suggest you any more Evolution X ROM. But anyway, let's check what we are getting here. So first of all, we'll check our Android version and everything. So this one is Android 15 based. So Android 15 based. Evolution X version 10.2.1. This one is official ROM and nothing else here. So the UI is still pretty much similar. There is nothing new. I could not able to find anything new. But as I said, according to the changelog, there are a lot of new changes internally done. And in terms of Wi-Fi network, mobile data connection, all those things, they works still fine, no issue with them. And for customization, still you are getting a wallpaper section here. You have to unlock the Google Photos unlimited storage if you want, so you can do that from here. And also there are a few other settings like higher FPS in game and pixel props and few other things, so those are available here. These are pretty much old stuff. All these things we are seeing here for a very long time. In terms of UI, is still pretty much same. I haven't found anything new here. It is pretty much similar to what we were getting from this ROM. So AI wallpaper and everything is still available, no issue. And if we check the battery section, we still have all those options here. In terms of security and privacy, I haven't faced any kind of issue with fingerprint and face unlock. Both of them works perfectly fine. So if I try fingerprint unlock, as you can see here, it's pretty fast and it's still reliable, so no issue with that. And face unlock is also pretty decent. So as you can see here, it works each and every time, so no issue with that. So both of them works flawlessly, no issue. And that's all what we are getting here, nothing much. As you can see here, we are not getting a lot of application on this ROM. Yes, we do have MIUI camera, which does work perfectly fine. So available, and you can install Gcam if you want. So there is a new music player here on this build, as you can see here, Accord. So new music player, and there is background call recorder option. And I did try calls here, as you can see here, test, and Bolty is working perfectly fine. Wi-Fi, Bolty, both of them work, and the recording is working, but there are some issue actually. So if I check my recordings, so I can look at the recordings from Android data, and the recording files are here. So if I play them, they never play actually. I did try changing the format of the recording, but it still doesn't work. I don't really know what I'm doing here wrong, but they don't work. So as you can see here, I can't really play them. So that is the issue with the call recording. I don't really know, maybe I need a different music player. Actually, I did install retro music player here. Both of them doesn't work actually. So there is issue with this ROM. And in terms of safety net is available, so you will not have any kind of issue using application here. So as you can see here, about devices certified, safety net is available, and bank application going to work perfectly fine around this ROM. And we do have circle to search feature, no issue with that. So circle to search works really well. Overall, the UI is a little bit choppy. Actually, it is not really that much fluent like before. Although I haven't faced any kind of major issues, but the UI is pretty choppy. And WhatsApp does work perfectly fine, no issue with that. Many of you actually complain about WhatsApp doesn't work on their device, but WhatsApp is working perfectly fine. And overall, UI is a little bit choppy. And if you want to know about Google Photos editing section, you can't really edit with Magic Eraser. Doesn't work. So if I try Magic Eraser, try now, got it. And as you can see here, it closed the app. So the issue is still there. And in terms of gaming, this is one of the best disappointing part of this ROM. I usually suggest people to install this ROM because it provides really good gaming performance. But here actually, it's pretty much unusable right now. You can't really play games on this ROM right now. I think Infinity X is doing much better than this. And if you really want gaming performance on your Redmi Note 8 device, it will be better to install Android 11 based ROM. It will provide much better experience. Anyway, this ROM is not really for gaming anymore. If you are playing games on your device, don't install this ROM. I haven't faced any kind of major issues on this ROM, but as I said, a little bit choppier side and gaming performance is pretty bad, and still fast charging doesn't work. So these are a few issues here. And if you want to install this ROM, obviously the ROM link in the description below. That's all about it actually. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.
Friendly hunter-killer drone deployed. UAV online. We've taken the lead. We've taken the lead. We've taken the lead. Enemy Shock RC is coming. It's too close. Fight hard. Keep fighting. We've taken the lead. Objective almost complete. Keep it up. Hunter-killer drone deployed. Heads up, team. Enemy UAV spotted.